Daily Grindhouse homepage, and what I want to do here is show you how to change the advertisements here on the homepage. Advertisement for Quentin Tarantino's film Django, and right over here we have an advertisement that leads us to tlacult.com, and these are actually widgetized areas. This was always a widgetized area, but we added in a new widget interface for this is what we did, and we actually took, and this was hard coded in at one time, but we made this a widgetized area so it uses this to change it out, and I'm going to show you where that is. Here in the WordPress dashboard, we're going to come down to Appearance, and we want to go over to Widgets. And you'll see all of our sidebar widgets here. Search and Add Image Banner. Then we've got our Facebook and our tweets and our 3 custom post type widgets that show all of our posts from the latest reviews, latest interviews, and latest trailers. So this is where our advertisement widget shows right here, and you'll see that's the second widget. I opened it up, and you'll see we have a scaled visual right here, and you'll see right below that is the URL for that. That's in that little box right there. Our ad click destination, which is when we click on the ad, where it goes to. I had that duplicated. That was right over there, so I'm going to slide this over here real quick. And then we have this thing that says auto resize to max width, and you're always going to want to have this checked because we're using a responsive layout, and that's what that's for. And so you're going to want to have that checked. So these are the only 2 fields that are necessary. So where do you get these fields? Well, the URL of this obviously goes in here for the ad click destination, and right here you're going to want to upload your ad to the media library, because you're going to want it to be served off of this website. If for some reason, if you were linking to the ad from another website, it would still show up, but if for some reason that ad was unavailable on that website, then it's just going to show an image placeholder, and it's going to look really, really ugly. And there could be any number of reasons that ad image might not be available. So it's best to have the ad image here on the site, and so you just want to add it to your media library. And so you come to your media library and go get it. Or if I were to say, I'm going to grab this over here, this little thing says Add Image Banner Ad, and I'm going to come right below here, and you'll see when I add in a new one of these, okay, the ad click destination is just the home page. I don't have the auto resize to max width set, so I would have to set that. I would have to change the ad click destination to our ad click destination, and then right here I could click here to upload a new image, and it'll take me to a very familiar WordPress uploader, which I could select a file from somewhere on my computer, or I could come over here and actually import that file from a URL and tag it to a URL if I want it to be from a URL, but we want to avoid doing that because, like I said, it's not going to bring that media in, it's just going to link to it is what it's going to do. Or if I already have it uploaded here to the media library, I can look for it and upload it here to the media library. And then once it is uploaded to the media library, then you can actually just go and copy and paste that link in there in the media library. And let's just take a look at a piece of media real quick so you know exactly what link I'm talking about from the media library. I'm just going to open up Apple here real quick. And it doesn't matter what piece of media it is, if it's a picture, whether it's a video, whatever it is, it's going to be file URL right over here. And that's what you're going to copy. Yeah, and it's just media library, add new, to add a new one. And that's what you're going to copy, and that's what's going to go right in here. Now, I will give you a bit of a caveat. 2 of the ads that were sent over already, we actually had to do some adjustments on the modes that they were in to get WordPress to show them correctly. So if for some reason you do import a picture here into this interface and it does not show up correctly, simply send it to us, let us know, and we will go ahead and convert it to a format that will be able to be used here on the site. For some reason, some ads are a little touchy like that. We understand that. It's just something about WordPress. And so if that happens, just send that over to us real quick. It just takes us a quick minute to convert that, and then we'll get that right back to you. So anyway, let us say change that. Now, that's going to change the ad. I'm going to get rid of this because we don't need that. That's going to change the ad right over here. To change this ad right here, come right down to the very bottom to Homepage Ad Widget. Click on that, and then you'll see a very familiar interface here. So anyway, this is, once again, this is where the URL for the ad image goes, and right below that is the URL where you want to send the individual to on when they click that particular advertisement. And right here, you want to make sure to always have the auto resize to max width checked, because this is going to ensure that whatever image that you put in there is going to be responsive. So, anyway, if you have any further questions or need any clarification on the feature, don't hesitate to let us know.